Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. Today I'm going to show you step-by-step how to remotely access and control your home PC or a client's computer directly from your office. This is one of the easiest and most secure methods for remote support, changing settings, troubleshooting, and more. Before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type remotedesktop.google.com/support and press enter. This will open the official Google Remote Desktop support page, where you can install the extension that allows you to access another computer safely and securely. Now choose Remote Support. Click the download icon. A new window will pop up. Click Add to Chrome. The extension will start downloading automatically, so just wait until it finishes. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and install it. After the installation is successful, close the window. Now go back to the remote support page and click Generate Code. This code allows someone else to connect to your computer. Once the code appears, copy it. Next, move to the other computer, whether it's your office PC, your home PC, or a client's PC. Repeat the same steps. Open the remote desktop page, download the extension, and install it. But this time, do not generate a new code. Instead, scroll down to Connect to another computer. Paste the code you copied from the first computer. Once you paste the code, click Connect. And that's it. You're now connected remotely. You can now control the computer fully, change settings, troubleshoot issues, install software, manage files, or even do programming tasks remotely without any problem. This method is secure, fast, and easy to use. Perfect for remote work, IT support, or helping friends and clients. Professional and smooth. And that's how you can easily access and control any computer remotely using Google Remote Desktop. It's a simple, reliable tool that works across all devices, and it makes remote support much faster and more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe, like, and share the video. And if you have any questions or need help with something else, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.